Hi, are you my house?
Yes.
Have you ever been to the United States?
No, I don't have you.
Yes, I've been there last year.
How do you like it?
I had a great time, but I was only there for 2 weeks.
What place do you see?
I visited Los Angeles and San Francisco. I stayed with my younger brother. He lives in Los Angeles.
Does he work there?
No, he is a student. He studied music at the music school. He has been there for 3 years.
Do you go up to Canada on your holiday?
No, unfortunately, I didn't have time. But I'm going to Canada next year. My uncle lives in Vancouver.
You travel a lot. You are like his. I wish I could travel. Thank you.
Bye.